Good morning everyone, it is moving day. I've just been packing all this morning, so I've only got the chance to speak to you now, but I think Mum and Dad have packed quite a lot of things into the car so far. I really don't think everything's going to fit in, which is going to suck because I hate like prioritising things, because I know that as soon as I get there I'll like need the things that I left, which is going to be really annoying. But got most of my stuff ready. I've just been organising all my makeup and skincare because obviously I was using them last night, and it's just the things I usually do in the morning. So I've got literally a massive bundle of skincare here because I absolutely love it. I need to put my hairbrush in my bag. I'm going to use this as my main bag. In here I have my main stuff. I think I have my purse. I need to put my glasses in there. I've got some random change in there too. I need to collect all my chargers together as well because I don't want to forget those. And then this is the book that I'm reading at the minute, which I mentioned in a couple of vlogs ago because it's absolutely amazing. I'll probably read it on the way unless I get travel sick, because sometimes it makes me feel sick reading. But yeah, just getting the last few bits together. Got my straighteners there, and I'll show you what the car looks like in a second. Right, this is what the car looks like. Oh god. Fucking hell, how have they managed to fit all that in? Oh. Right, I don't really know how that's going to shut, but it's absolutely full to the brim. And this is where I'll be sitting, in this tiny little gap, filled by so much shit. Oh, I'm gonna have to carry this up 2 floors as well because my room's right at the top. So yeah, it looks like Mum's crushed at the front as well with the leather bag there, but they've somehow managed to fit it, so congrats to my parents. That's mad. Right, I'll live with it.
Why do girls have so much stuff?
So true. I even fit all of his stuff back in his boot back on the way back from his uni room last year.
I'll get you some
just in the back
stuff because that's open. It's going to be everywhere.
Okay, right. Fair enough. I've just got a couple of bags that I'm going to put by my feet.
Do you think you've got room by your feet?
Yeah, I do. There's nothing on the floor.
Well, you've only got this
Hello,
little
Dave.
space, remember? You've only got 1 person space, not 2.
Yeah, it's fine.
Oh, Charlotte,
I'm going to get over it. God, right. I also need to fit these because I'm actually giving these away, so I'm going to need to take them with me to uni. So let's try and fit these into all these little bags I've got here. I'm literally going to be ruined in the car. There's like no room for anything. I want to die. I'm so stressed. Right, this is my current situation. I've got my Marmite toast here because I haven't had time to eat anything. I am literally like you can only see the top, like this is how much you can see of me, my shoulders and my head, because I'm that stuck in. I had to wedge myself in. Like you can only see my shoulders and my head. Yeah, on the way back, but it wasn't this bad. Got some random shoes up there that I forgot to pack last minute. I'm gonna get Mum to film me so you can properly see like how crammed up I am here.
Hello. Oh my goodness me, I can just about wave to Charlotte over the top of all the bags. Look, bless her, she's got a little tiny space up the corner there. Oh, never mind, it'll be all worth it because we managed to get everything in that she wanted to take at this point.
Yeah.
For the other side.
Just a rattle out, turn the light on. Hello. Right, so we've just arrived in the house. I'm in the lounge right now, and we're just going to bring everything into the lounge, then sort it all out. It's going to be a trek because my room's at the top, so we're going to have to climb up 2 flights of stairs each time. It's good because I'm the first one to arrive. I have about half an hour, 45 minutes to unpack all my stuff, and then Hattie will arrive and it will happen all again, but it's good that we're arriving at different times.
Saw the light, another path that I'm on. Makes you wonder you're so long, but everything that I do will lead me back to you.
Got got everything in. I've just taken over the lounge. We'll do a quick tour, then we'll take everything upstairs. I'm going to give Mum and Dad a tour because they haven't actually been to the house yet. I'm going to do a little tour before we bring all of this. Look what I've just made. I've literally I'm so glad we're not all coming at the same time, because imagine.
Well, I'm going straight up.
Straight up, yeah. Thanks, Dad. Right, here we are. God, they're very steep, so be careful. I'm just bringing my camera up so I can film us bringing all the stuff up. Woo! God, whack it there.
Probably want it out of the way, won't you?
That's fine though, isn't it, like that?
So if you're ready.
Yeah. I'm currently doing a bit of DIY over here. Trying to set up my little IKEA shelves, but I've had a bit of a nightmare, but now I'm okay. I finally figured out what to do.
Hattie.
Woohoo! Hattie's here. Up here.
I might have to put 2 things on one coat hanger, is that alright?
Yay! I built this all myself. Put these away. I don't want these because I think these are just to attach to the wall. I don't want it attached to the wall.
No, you can't.
But I'm thinking it's perfect for videos. If I was doing a makeup video, I can put all the stuff that I'm using at the top and just move it with me. So Megan's just arrived. I'm not going to show too much of my room because I'll do like a proper uni room tour on my main channel in the next few days when I've sorted everything, or maybe a week or 2 after I've got everything that I wanted and everything's where I want it to be. Mum's been helping me out, haven't you?
Yes, but we've still got loads to do.
We do. Yeah, this is still the situation. I feel like we've been going for ages, but still everything. Mum sorted a bit of my wardrobe out and stuff. I've just got to sort all this out. I'm just going to go see Megan because she's just arrived. Woo! Oh, I've got our tea as well. Hattie's mum made us tea, bless her.
Can you hold these? And then
People are going to freak out. It's this dark because 1, it's strong, and me and Mum both like our tea strong, and 2, it's almond milk, so it's darker than usual before anyone freaks out about it.
Can you carry them?
Yes, we're still mid-packing. Most things are all sorted. I'm not going to show too much again because of the room tour, but I've found this list. I did show it, I think, in either a stationery haul or my like uni hauls, but it's called I Love Lists, and it's like this little list book from Tiger, and it's so amazing, like way more amazing than I thought it was when I picked it up. It was like all packaged up, so I couldn't see. I thought every single page was going to look like this, but it's not at all. Like, I'm going to show you. Just because I thought loads of you guys would like it too, and it'll be really handy for uni. So there's loads of different tabs at the bottom. There's a shopping list. So when we go shopping, it has like food, boring stuff, fun stuff, other things, what not to buy if you're like on a diet or whatever. Then it has on my feet, so what to cook today, like what to fix, clean, buy, do. And then it has sitting down, so you have if you need to call like the doctors or something, if you need to email like your tutor, anyone like that, who you need to text, like maybe thanking someone for a present or whatever. Then write, read, watch, search. Then it's got like today, so what to get done, top priorities, things like that. I like this bit, the people to show love, because we always forget when we're like all busy doing stuff, like to text people we love and stuff. And then it has it has this week, sorry. So it has like an overview of the week, which is so sick. I'm gonna be so organised. Then there's like a pros and cons, which is really good for people like me who get freaked out about things. And usually the pros always outweigh the cons, which is why I try and push myself to do stuff. But yeah, that's an easy way to do that. This is good at the bottom as well, pros that are really cons and cons that are really pros. Then there's like a packing list, like if you're going home or visiting family, boyfriend, friends elsewhere, then you've got like a packing list to write. It has lots of different it covers lots of different range of things. And then at the back there's a wish list, which made me and Megan just laugh because it says like for my tight friends and for my rich friends, things like that. And then it has like for my family, so like you can pop all the things that you want for Christmas or something on here if you get any ideas, which I thought was good as well. So yeah, this is from Tiger, and I'm sure it was only like £4. It doesn't have it on the back, but I'm sure it was really, really cheap. So yeah, go get yourself one of these because it's going to keep you very organised. Just headed into town. Megan's back there with her nan.
It's a good price.
Going to get some last minute supplies. Mum and Dad are just going to get me some food. Aren't you? Can you help me get some food?
Yes.
We've just come into Hunter's for some food. Because we've been working for ages trying to sort out my room and I was getting really hungry, so I've come to Hunter's on Steep Hill. Mum and Dad have got haddock and chips and I've got chicken nuggets and chips, and then we're going to go do a food shop. So we're just in Wilko and everyone in here is like students with their parents trying to get like last minute things, because that's literally what we're doing as well. Mum's just getting us an error, and what else are we getting? Oh, a little error over the radiator for my towels, because I have like nowhere to put my towels when I've used them in the shower. Look at our little mugs that Hatsnan got us. They're cute. These are the ones that Hatsnan got us, did you see?
Yeah, I saw one there.
I'll turn this around so we can... Right, so I'm going to do a little haul of what I got. So, Mum, why is it flashing like that? That's weird. Well, yeah, we should do actually. I'm sure one of us bought scissors. Yeah, we did. We bought them at Hen Bargains. Right, what did we get? So, got this for my room. Wait, I'll get this out first. So, I've got some Weetos, because I absolutely love them. One of my favourite cereals. I'm not really sure I'm keeping cereal.
Where's your bin in?
Because someone claimed these drawers. Is that these? So put that one in there. I also got this from Poundland. I've got one of these because I felt like I didn't have anywhere to like organise all my like paperwork and stuff. Then Mum's got one of these for her. Was this for Vicky?
One for Vicky.
Yeah. She's got one of these for my cousin because we both love Biscoff, and then I've got one for here as well. You can take that home. I'll put it on the side. Also got this for my bathroom upstairs. It's the Carex Moisture hand wash. Then I also have tons of the AA batteries. I've got loads from Wilko as well, but I got these from Poundland. Mum also bought me this. It's an airer for my towels on my radiator because I don't have anywhere to put my wet towels. So got that over there.
You don't?
I decided to buy this at Tesco because we're going to split it and put it with other alcohol. So I've got Gordon's Pink Gin. We love this. Got a toothbrush, a new toothbrush, a Colgate toothbrush. Yeah. Then I've got some deodorant. I think Mum got me two mini Shore deodorants. And I've got some more AA batteries for my lights, like my fairy lights, my neon ones. Then I've got some more of the Maxi Oval cotton pads from Wilko. People like them. Then we've got some of the southern fried chicken breast strips. Went for a little Iceland frozen shop. But I got some alphabetis because I'm 20 years old and I'm a mess. And then I got some turkey dinosaurs as well, because why not? And some potato waffles. So like typical student life. Oh, and I also got some of the Gastro lemon and butter fish fillets as well, because they were half price in Iceland. I should have said student discount in Iceland.
Really? Why?
They're doing 10% off at the minute. Oh, at least I've helped the people out. Do you want to put these in the freezer for me if you don't mind? And then some crumpets for us all to share. Yeah, that's fine. I've also got some bananas because bananas are healthy. I've got some apples as well. Huge kilogram of penne pasta. I've got these 4 juices. I've got an apple juice. I've gone for 2 cranberry juices and pineapple juice. We have some Tesco's own like crunchy nut cornflakes basically. Then cheese balls, 2 lemonades for mixers because we're gonna need these mixers for freshers. And then I've got a Lloyd Grossman tomato and chilli and tomato ketchup. Yeah, that was the little haul. I've obviously got some other things that I already had here that we brought.
It's just my shoes. It's just my shoes.
A little hat. Woohoo! All of our parents left and we've all been crying.
And all I've done
and
is
we've all been crying.
Ready? Ready for the big reveal? Oh.
Did they break?
Oh. I broke.
Where are we keeping the Christmas stuff?
Oh no! Oh
Be quick if you just
Hat.
put the dish off,
no!
just
Can't do
comes
that.
out, and then just take that.
Wait, what's this?
Christmas soap from LTM.
I've got Christmas mugs that that say "Let it snow" on.
I think in a box under the bed for now. Also, we don't have the bathroom.
Yeah, I'm just getting my stuff and help me bring it.
Woohoo!
If anybody has these, help.
How
I
do
think I've
you?
already broke them.
Yeah, because Megan
I've got
snipped
like
them.
these, this and this, and I don't know how they work.
Megan gave up after 5 minutes. Hello, Hatman. What are you watching? I could hear it, but I didn't know what was going on.
Wedgie sauce.
Oh.
Oh, that needs to be in the game room.
Crazy.
The game room. There's so much fun.
We need a games
Still.
cupboard.
What
We need
is
a games cupboard.
Oh, I need to suck
A
it out
ring?
of the thing. No, it's a... Yeah, but you scrub your face with it. So we can both use that, so we can stick stuff on. I need to bring this downstairs and make a cupboard. I'll wear it.
Yay!
Oh, that's good.
But where's that going to be?
Your nan made a games
The
cupboard.
drawer.
Remember?
In the coffee table.
Okay,
there's a
you're
drawer.
responsible
Oh
for this.
yeah.
It's a bit chilly. Do you want to put the heating on?
Okay.
Oh no! I don't want it. I don't want it.
I feel like our neighbours are gonna fucking hate us.
I know.
Look,
Right. Wait.
refreshes. I just put hat.
Hello. I'll take one of each and I'll put the rest in.
Wait, let's just try it here.
I think save that. But this needs to go in all the bottles.
Oh yeah, we need to put this all the bottles.
Also, there's all of our alcohols together, and there's fucking cooking wheel with it.
Yeah, well, I saw that. I was like, we need to. Wait, we're not going back till Christmas.
I'm going back in October. Because I have to for Maddie's B-Dag. It's a B-Dag.
I don't really know what's going on. I think people visit, but I'm not seeing my dog for ages, so that's depressing.
Cagney.
Oh, I saw.
Is
Where is she?
okay?
Exactly. No, we couldn't
What?
bring her up because there wasn't enough room, so I'm
Oh.
going home with Maddie's B-Day, bringing her up then.
Oh, okay. You feel ill, but it's our first evening in the house, and it feels so weird. We all just keep going. Wait, we live here.
Oh wait, we live here.
So we just come to the kitchen. Megan's making a tea.
Right, who's I'm here forever because it's verified and she keeps commenting on my photos.
No, she doesn't.
Yeah.
No, wait, what?
I used to watch her, I swear.
That's Emily Cannon. That's what I mean. Wait, what?
Wait, it's Emily Cannon.
Yeah. I promise you now, it's Emily Cannon's account.
How many
Are you
photos
sure?
is she?
She's liking all my photos. I don't know who she is.
She's from Kettering, and she's like a big YouTuber. She. No, I swear to God, that's Emily Cannon's account. She used to be called I'm Here Forever, and then she
she's
changed to
been
Emily Cannon.
Why would that? Why would she
Yeah,
just
that's really weird.
comment that?
Yeah.
Definitely. Well, she's either been hacked or like that's really strange, isn't
Or you
it?
want a
Because I've been watching her for years.
Comment.
That's weird. She's like a year above us. No, I actually want to. Anyway, so Emily Cannon's apparently followed her and liking all of her pics, which is interesting. I feel like this is not really happening, and this is all a nightmare. Yeah, we are just about to get ready for the evening, just chill. I have no idea what we've got planned, but we're not going out or anything tonight. We'll just be chilling in the house, I think, because personally I am absolutely knackered from just sorting out my room all day. I've still got a few bags to do in the morning, but I can't do any more now because I'm so knackered. Yeah?
Maddie wants to know where your love light is from. Oh, and your
It was-
fairy wall light.
Fairy wall lights are Primark because you got me them. And then the love light is from...
No, that was when we look.
What Primark? It's a Primark on the drape lights.
Oh fuck.
Yeah. And then the love light is from, it was a shop called Latham's, but Chris has got the blue one, you know Chris who's moved here. I'm going to ask him where his is from.
What's it called?
It was Latham's, but it's only like a small little independent shop, so... Try typing love neon lighting on Amazon or something. I bet they do them on there.
Yeah.
We're just going to chill for the evening. Thank you for watching this vlog. I really hope you enjoyed watching us move in. And the uni vlogs start from here. I'm really excited. Tomorrow, we'll probably be going out shopping, getting last minute bits, some more food and stuff for the house, like more dinner food because we've got loads of snacks and shit and drinks. We need more like actual food for like meals. And then Monday is Fresh as Fair, so I'll be vlogging every day. We might be going out tonight. I'm not tonight, tomorrow, so I'm not sure.
We just realised Hat can't reach the snack cupboard.
Yeah, that's what I said earlier. I was like, can I reach the snack cupboard?
I put some socks on my feet.
Yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching the vlog. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe down below if you're new, and I will see you tomorrow for the first proper day in the house.